Natural remedies for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD). Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) is a medical condition where an individual finds it difficult to stay on task. Trouble staying on task and paying attention are just a few of the many issues that those suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) have to deal with. Unfortunately, many of the individuals most recently diagnosed with ADHD are children. This has caused some concern among parents. Although there are some individuals, even those in the medical field, who claim that attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) is overdiagnosed, especially in children, there are many parents who are still interested in seeking relief for their children. After all, a child who finds it difficult to pay attention and stay on tasks can suffer in school. However, at the same time, the last thing that most parents want to do is encourage their children to take medications that may or may not provide relief. In fact, some claim that the medications for ADHD end up doing more harm than good. So what is a parent to do? Examine natural remedies. One of the many natural ways that parents can help their children manage and cope with having ADHD is by being supportive. This is extremely important to a child's self-esteem. Adults suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) can also benefit from a tight support system. Both children and adults who suffer from ADHD are known to have self-esteem and self-confidence problems. Positive praises are a must for children. Even if an ADHD child makes a mistake, it is important to discipline in a positive manner. This can be done by putting a young child in timeout, but letting them leave when they explain what they did wrong or what they should do the next time to make the situation right. In addition to helping your child at home, it is also important to provide support and encouragement with schooling. The first step in doing so is making sure that all teachers are aware of your child's medical condition. If you choose not to have your child take ADHD medications, it is important to let your child's teachers know so. Unfortunately, so many ADHD children are medicated that most teachers expect it. Your child will need more care, attention, and support than another ADHD child is on medication. If you know an adult who suffers from ADHD, support is important in social circles, as well as the workplace. Although there is currently no known cause for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD), there are many who claim that symptoms can be triggered by diet. Many professionals recommend restricting the diet of a child or even an adult who suffers from ADHD. This is done in hopes of finding a trigger factor, which can make many of the symptoms of ADHD worse. Examples of this involve eliminating or limiting a child's consumption of sugar, chocolate, dairy products, and juices. If you notice a decrease in ADHD-related symptoms when one specific item has been eliminated from the diet, such as chocolate, continuing limiting exposure. The above-mentioned ways are just a few of the many ways that those suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) can manage or treat their symptoms. As a reminder, if you are a parent whose child is diagnosed with ADHD, most of the work will be your responsibility. This may seem like a stressful and overwhelming task, but the above-mentioned natural approaches can provide assistance, but in a safe and effective way. Click on the link in the description below for the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies by Dr. Nicole Appelian, who has researched and studied natural and herbal remedies for the past 20 years. If you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.